We're going to be connecting a 1/4-inch water supply line for our fridge to the actual compression outlet, the ice maker outlet box. And so the very first step here is to make sure you're using the right parts. These are the items that I just picked up, but it's a sleeve and an insert. And specifically, you can see that there's this brass insert part right here. And this is the part that goes inside the plastic tube so that when it's compressed, it doesn't collapse, because that's how you can get a leak and a very expensive repair bill. And then on top of that, they include these plastic olives or sleeves. And so these are the things that, again, if you're using a plastic tube like this, you want to use this and not the brass one. If this was a solid copper line, then you would use the brass one. But for our case, we're going to be using this guy. And then finally, you're going to be using the actual compression nut. So the outlet box comes with this. So we're just going to take it, unthread it, and we're going to slip it back like that. We're going to also take our compressions sleeve, and we're going to slip this guy up just like that. And then we take the insert, and we're going to shove this into our pipe, and should go fairly easily. And now I'm not going to use any Teflon tape here, and you don't want to use the white plumber's tape, because the way this compression fitting works is the threads compress onto it. So don't wrap this with anything, just let the compression sleeve, that little white thing we just put on, do its job. So I'm just going to press it into there. And then if you turn it back until you hear a little click, now you know your threads are on correctly. And we're going to hand tighten this. And then we're going to give it just a 1/4 turn extra, so we have a nice tight seal. And you don't want to over torque these because it is plastic. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip on the switch here. And just going to check for leaks and sit here and wait for a moment. So far it seems good. So we're going to roll our fridge back, and that's all there is to it. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.